Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really cool paper mache light shades. The idea came from Pinterest obviously, but like I've always wanted to try to make these and they take a long time, not going to lie. Easy process, but it just is very time consuming, like waiting for them to dry and everything, because you literally have to like leave them overnight to dry, because you have to make sure they're completely like rock solid dry before you pop the balloon, otherwise it's all gonna like concave in on ya, which isn't gonna be good. But without further ado, let's just get into this DIY guys. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is newspaper, glue, PVA glue, and then you're also going to need water and a paintbrush. You're also going to need paint of your choice. You can pick whatever color you want, or if you wanted you could just keep it the newspaper pattern on the front of it, you know, if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you're going for, you can totally do that. If that's your vibe, it's all good. It's all cool, you can do that. Okay, so firstly you want to mix your PVA with a bit of water, just so it's a bit more liquidy, not as a thick consistency, just so it's easier to spread. So once you've got all your supplies, you're going to start creating your light shade. So first of all, you need to get your newspaper and tear it up into strips. Depending on the size of your light, you know, if it's a small light, I wouldn't make the strips too big, you know, just you know, how if you've done paper mache before, you kind of know what you're doing. But basically you're putting glue down onto the balloon first, where you're going to lay your strip, and then you're going to place your strip down, paint over it again with the PVA glue. So you just want to keep doing this until the kind of top half of the balloon is covered in newspaper, and then once this is done you need to let it dry. So let it dry, be patient, leave it overnight. The longer you leave it, the drier it will get, and the easier it will be to like pop it and not for it to concave on you. So leave it overnight. Even if you don't have the patience, get a hairdryer and just start drying, but make sure it is completely dry before you pop your balloon, because it will break your heart when you pop the balloon and it all concaves on you. Oh my god, it's like the worst thing ever. So make sure you let it dry. Then once your balloon is dry, you can either paint it now or paint it after you've dismantled it from the balloon, whatever you prefer. And this is where you get really creative. You can do a pattern, you can just keep it simple, like monochromatic look, with like the black on top and the white underneath, or you could even just like go crazy. You can spray paint, like silver spray paint, spray paint that light shade, you know, do whatever you want. It's up to you. And there you have it. Now you have your beautiful, sculptural, unique light shade. And best of all, it's made entirely by you. So be proud of that. Be proud of yourself for making this light shade, because it took some time, it took some patience, it took some perseverance, and you done it. So well done. So guys, if you do make this light shade, I'd love to see it. So if you put up on Instagram or anything, tag me. I want to see it. I want to see your creations. That would just be so exciting and so cool. So do that. But I'm gonna let you go here. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.